Welcome to Southern Title. We look forward to working with you on your upcoming real estate transaction. It is our mission to provide you the ultimate closing experience every time you buy, sell, or refinance real estate. And we aim to simplify the process so you have peace of mind long after closing. Our age of technology has introduced a new challenge for people who are buying or selling a house, and it's called wire fraud. And it occurs when thieves hack unsecured email accounts of people involved in a real estate purchase, alter the wire instructions, and send different instructions to the home buyers in an effort to steal their cash to close. With all the identity theft and insurance fraud going on today, Southern Title is proud to have invested in the necessary technology to secure our website and emails to protect your data from the moment you reach out to us. When you buy a home, you'll be required to submit personal information to your lender as well as Southern Title. This information may include social security numbers, bank account numbers, and credit and loan account numbers. You can rest assured Southern Title has implemented a variety of security measures to maintain the safety of your personal information, including the use of a secure server and encrypted emails. We protect our systems with firewalls to ensure that only approved access is allowed through to our systems. Plus, we have successfully completed a comprehensive third-party assessment of our company practice regarding the protection of our customers' personal information, and we've been awarded an Alta Best Practices Pillar 3 Certificate of Completion. From Security, Compliance, and Associates, it demonstrates our commitment to compliance and data security and our adherence to federal laws governing the protection of non-public personal information. If you are buying a home and wiring money to us for your cash to close, we will send you wiring instructions on brightly colored paper along with your introductory letter and title commitment. If someone emails you alternate wiring instructions, please disregard and alert us, as they could be attempting to divert your funds. Wire fraud is prevalent and used when a fraudster mimics your realtor or title company's email account and sends you the wrong wire instructions in an effort to steal your funds. If you have any questions about wire instructions, please contact us immediately. We would be happy to review the proper instructions while you are at the bank initiating the wire. Protection of your investment and your non-public personal information is vital to Southern Title. Count on us to go above and beyond to deliver the ultimate closing experience every time. Thank you for choosing Southern Title, and please check out our website for our convenient locations in Central and North Florida and on both Florida coasts. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you and look forward to providing the ultimate closing experience every time.